This video covers how to use filters in Visicon. Why are filters important? Because they are how you query the data in your model to make informed decisions. They are also used to define the inputs for operations and reports. Filters are created and managed under their own panel in the project browser. We'll go through how to define filters, use categories to select specific types of components, write expressions, and set exceptions. We've switched to a model that includes mechanical and plumbing components. Access the project browser by selecting the tab at the right side of the application. Open the Filters panel. If you're not already in the Filters panel, you can always access filters directly by going to the Home ribbon and using the Filters shortcut. To add a new filter, click on the Filter panel and use the right-click option to insert a new one. The easiest way to define filters is to use the category and type selection. We start by unselecting all categories, expand the plumbing systems category and select it. You can see that we have now selected all plumbing objects in the model. Let's assume we're only interested in pipe fittings. So we unselect the broad plumbing category and only select the type pipe fitting. If we select one of the fittings, you will see where its classification properties are shown in the Object Properties panel. We'll call this filter Pipe Fittings. To refine further, we'll clone it. Next, we will use expressions to reason about any of the properties associated with components in Visicon. We want to limit our selection to T's and not elbows. Browsing the properties of a fitting, we see its family name includes the distinction of T or elbow. To reason about the family property, select it, use the right-click option to copy the variable. In this case, we'll stick with the family name. Paste the copied variable into your expression field. We use the contains object function to pick a substring of the family name. In this case, we're looking for the inclusion of the string T. You can see we have reduced our selection set and are now excluding elbows. Selecting one of the T's, we see it as part of system CTS9. We clone our last filter and want to configure it to not only limit our selection to piping T's, but also those that are part of system CTS9. Copy the parameter variable system name. Go back to your expression, add the operator AND before pasting the copied variable into your expression. Specify which system name you're looking for, in our case CTS9. We use isolate to only show what meets the criteria of our filter, and you can see that we have 3 T's that are part of this system. If you are the project manager and scheduling the installation of this system, Visicon just made it easy for you to identify exactly which T's you need to have on hand. Properties in a model are not always perfect, so we let you select any components in the model and using the right-click option under Filters, include or exclude the selection from the filter. We'll include this one elbow. To explore other filter options, in particular the flexibility of Visicon's expressions, go to File, Apply Complete Template, and select the default template that ships with every instance of Visicon. These filters may not all apply to your specific project, but show you what's possible. In summary, filters give you the power to quickly query and act on your models. Get a free trial today by visiting our website.